Hi, welcome to our booth from SurgeX. I'm Martin, the sales engineer, and I just want to give you a short overview of our products. So what we got over here are our rack-mounted products. It's surge protection, power management, sequencing, everything you'd like to, and in addition to that, UPSs. They are double online conversion. We got one of our newest products over here. It's a Squid. It's a power management hub, so you can remotely control all around the power, monitor it, and record it. On the other side, we got two applications. So the Squid is mounted to a digital signage board, to a kiosk, and it's mounted. We got over here, we got the rack installation with, as a power foundation, our UPSs, our double online conversion UPSs, and our Access Elite, our remote controlled. Over here, we got our demo wall for the Squid, so we made it easier to visualize with the LEDs so that you can exactly see where the power is going. So we are controlling all the devices via the Squid. Comes with a very nice user interface. You can power cycle all the single outlets. They are monitored. The power quality is recorded. You can export it. And one of our newest inventions is the SurgeX Connect cloud solution. So you can fit it into the cloud and remote control it from everywhere you like to. In addition to that, we got our newest product down below here. It's an 8-way smart vertical PDU, fully IP controlled with surge protection, and it's also within the cloud. Over here we got our UPS solution. So actually it's cleaning the power. It's not only battery backup, it's a power conditioner plus a battery backup. So when we got an interruption in the line, like a large inductive load like this, we can see that there are a lot of interruptions within the neutral to ground voltage. And to avoid that, we are just serving our end device via the UPS. And as you can see over there, now it's fully power conditioned, and worst comes to worst, with a battery backup.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Click below to subscribe and be sure to follow Inside CI on Twitter, Facebook and Google+.